Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up member count bot on Discord. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. First thing that you need to do is head over your browser and type serverstatsbot.com. Once you are already in the homepage like what you see here, what you need to do is click on the invite bot. Once you click on it, what you need to do next is to choose the server that you want it to be part of. So just choose one from the drop-down list and hit on continue. Once you click on it, you may need to scroll down and click on authorized. Then you just have to check on the CAPTCHA authentication right here. And if you've done that correctly, you will see thanks for adding server stats. After that, head over to your Discord server. So what you do now is you simply need to type in /setup, then click enter, and you obviously need to choose your voice channel, the recommended one right here. Once you click on this, you need to click enter. Once you've done that, you will see now the things that appear on the left side corner of your screen. You will be able to see all of the members that are in your server now. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.